Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to go public on X. First, you need to understand that going public is a significant step for any company, involving a complex process to offer shares to the public. This move can provide substantial capital for growth and expansion. We will cover the essential stages, from initial preparation to the final listing, ensuring you grasp each critical component. To begin, your company must meet specific financial benchmarks, often requiring millions in revenue and consistent profitability. Establishing strong corporate governance and internal controls is also crucial for investor confidence. Next, you will file a comprehensive registration statement with regulatory bodies, detailing your business operations and financial health. This document undergoes thorough review before approval. Going public offers numerous benefits, such as accessing substantial capital to fund ambitious expansion plans and drive innovation. It also significantly boosts your company's public profile and market credibility, attracting new talent and partnerships. However, be prepared for increased regulatory burdens, heightened public scrutiny, and the pressure of quarterly earnings reports. It is a demanding but potentially rewarding path. After successfully going public, the journey continues with new responsibilities. You must maintain transparency and consistent communication with your new public investors, providing regular updates on performance. The focus shifts to long-term growth strategies and delivering sustained market performance to build shareholder value. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying refreshed helps you stay sharp for these new challenges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.